In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use make.com to automate. We'll build a simple scenario that sends an email through Gmail and then uploads a file to Google Drive so you can see exactly how the pieces fit together and how to test your automation safely. First, open make.com and sign in so you're on your dashboard. On the left sidebar, click Scenarios to view your workspace, then select Create a Scenario to open the visual canvas where all your modules connect. In the center of the canvas, click the plus icon to add your first module. Use the search bar to find Gmail, then select it. From the list of actions, choose Send an Email. If this is your first time connecting Gmail, click Create a Connection, follow the on-screen prompts to authorize access with your Google account, and then click Save. Once connected, fill in the basic fields for your message, add a recipient, a clear subject line, and a short body. You can keep it simple for now. Plain text works great for testing. If you want, you can use placeholders like your own inbox as the recipient to make verification easy. Next, we'll add the second part of the flow. Click Add another module on the canvas, search for Google Drive, and select it. Choose the Upload a File action. Just like before, click Create a Connection to authorize Drive, then click Save. Now configure the upload, pick a destination folder so the file lands where you expect, and give the file a name that makes sense. For a quick test, choose a small sample file. If the module offers a file picker, select a local file. If it expects a URL or binary data, provide a simple test file source. The goal is just to confirm the action runs end to end. When both modules are set, click Run to test the scenario. Watch the execution panel on the right to see each module's status. If the Gmail step turns green, check your inbox to confirm the message arrived, then open your drive to confirm the file uploaded to the folder you selected. If anything fails, expand the module in the run log to read the error details. Common fixes include adjusting permissions during the connection step, double-checking your recipient address format, or selecting a different file source for the upload. Once everything works, your basic automation is ready. You can refine the message content, change the destination folder, or reuse this structure for other apps later. Save your scenario and you're done.